Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today's plant is the coral creeper, better known for producing these coral-colored flowers, which I got attached to, but I keep them in the pot now because I believe the term for this plant is that it's invasive. Invasive means it'll take over your yard. So if you have it, you have to put it in a place where you can control the seeds that are popping off the plant, because it does pop off a lot of plants, and they do entertain themselves and just dig in the soil, and they are what they call permanent. So I took these a few years ago and just put them in pots, so this way I can control the growth. Now I know what they look like, and I can remove the little seedlings when they appear. But like I say, it's a coral creeper. Very in the height of the summer, when the blooms are going, another sunny location. Those coral-colored flowers are numerous. Very pretty. That's why I keep attached to it. And like I say, it's considered invasive. So if you have it, be careful, because it likes to travel and it likes to reproduce. So for Marty, this is one that we're just holding now, and we'll get back to you on that. Thank you. Please like the video, and we'll go into the garden, and we're going to try and get every plant that's actually growing in the Dougherty Garden. Thank you.